Hey guys, this is Om from Civil Raja and welcome to the series where we are studying a lot of architectural plans. Okay, so we are continuing on the plot dimension of 30 feet by 60 feet and today we will study a furniture layout plan. But today is going to be something special. Why so? Because I'm not just going to study a plan, but I will also put my suggestions that what should be the changes, and I will just make all the changes in front of you in today's session. So I'm just going to share my screen and you can see everything over here. So guys, you can see this is the plan. So let's study it first. Okay, so we will study the ground floor first and then we will also talk about the first floor and we will discuss each and every detail over here. So just stick till the end of this video. And guys, if you are liking this video, hit the like button, also share it with your friends and colleagues and subscribe to Civil Raja. Okay, so guys, first of all, let's check the dimension. So you can see the outer dimensions are 30 feet by 60 feet. Then the next thing that we need to notice is, so the second thing is that it is closed from all the three sides and we have just opening in the front, or you can say it is just accessible from the front, and the client is not willing to leave any kind of offset over here. So guys, when we have such a client that who don't want to like leave any kind of offset, or you can see all the three sides are closed, then we cannot open any kind of window over there. So what can we do for the ventilation? We can provide ducts in the plan. Okay, like see over here we have provided a duct, then in the back we have a courtyard. Okay, so it is completely open. Then you can also see we have this porch area for the ground floor. Okay, and on the top floor we have the balcony. Okay, so we can just provide a few ducts over here, and you can see this is also going to be a duct over here, but yeah, obviously this is not mentioned over here, so I can just draw two lines so that it can be very easy for you to understand where the duct is provided. So this is the first line, and then this will be our second line. Okay, so I'm just going to do it for you. So you can see this is the duct over here. Okay, so we have one duct over here, another over here, and at the back we have a courtyard. Okay, which is also acting as a open space over here. Okay, now, the next thing is we need to consider each and every element should be present in the house. Like we should have a drawing room, living room, dining room, kitchen. Then we should have a common toilet. We should also have a one master bedroom at least for such a big plot. Okay, and we should also count the number of rooms over here. So on the ground floor, what we have a two bedrooms, right? So on the ground floor, it is a 2 BHK arrangement. On the top floor we have a 3 BHK arrangement. Okay, I will also show you how to just increase this. Okay, now uh according to the requirement, it is are discussed so far. So let's see, this is our main gate. Okay, this is a wide main gate right over here, and if I'm going to check the dimensions, then let's see how much the dimension is provided. So it is almost 9 feet 5 inches, a wide gate, right? So you can also reduce it to 7 feet or 8 feet. Okay, so that's up to you how much is your requirement. Then you can see we have a 5 feet 11 inches wide front lawn. So now this is a big lawn and we can simply use it for our evening tea. Now you can see this is our porch area, and in this porch area we have a 9 feet 5 inches by 24 feet of a space. Now this is quite a big porch area. Okay, I must say that. Now this porch area is also including a few things this passage and all. So first of all, we can park our vehicles over here. Then this is our main door to the building. Okay, and it is the door which is leading us to the drawing room. Then we have the sofa arrangements and the center table, TV unit and everything over here. So we can simply use this, and then this is just side table. Okay, so this symbol is not very much clear because we do not have any kind of flower over here. So I am just making it clear to you that it is a side table. Okay, then this is a arc. Okay, so that means we have a passage over here and we are not going to provide any kind of doors at this space. So it is a arc opening over here. Then the second arc opening you can see on the right, which is opening to the a dining space. Again, this dining space is 7 feet 3 inches by 10 feet 8 inches, which is quite a spacious arrangement. And this is just attached to the kitchen, that is of 7 feet 3 inches by 13 feet 7 inches. Okay, I am just studying the plan right now. Okay, and I will give my input of all the plan details in just uh, a minute after the completion of this study. Okay. Then you can see we have a lobby, which is quite a good space over here, and it is of 13 feet 2 inches by 16 feet. Okay, so that is very good. Then we have this staircase, which is taking us to the next floor, and we all can also notice a door over here. So you can see this door is acting as a second entrance to the building, and those who are the residents of the building, they can directly enter to the building through this if they are willing to just like do not miss with the presence of the guest over here. Suppose some guests are already sitting over here, and uh, a few of the members of the family, they do not want to just interfere this thing. Okay, so we need to provide a second entrance to the building, and this is right over here. Okay, and this can just directly take us to the next floor also. So that is another arrangement. Now you can also notice a common toilet over here, which is also attached with a duct. So the ventilation of this common toilet will be through this duct. Okay, I will also talk about the ventilation in detail, so don't worry about that. Now you can see we have a 3 feet 6 inches wide passage, and it is directly taking us to the courtyard. Also, this is opening a door for this bedroom, which is a master bedroom, and you can see the dimension of the master bedroom is 12 feet 6 inches by 11 feet, and the toilet is of 6 feet by 9 feet. Okay, which is a spacious toilet, I must say that. Okay, so when you have a 30 feet by 60 feet plot, then you have a lot of space to just accommodate everything. Okay, then you can see on the right we again have a bedroom, and this bedroom is opening to a storeroom. Okay, now everything is good over here, and here is something unique in this plan. You can see a projection over here. So this projection is going to uh, save our windows or and doors from the rainwater. Okay, so even if there is a heavy rainfall, then this projection is going to save our internal rooms, and you can simply keep your doors and windows open even if there is a heavy rainfall going out there. Okay, so uh you can see the projection is 2 feet 6 inches from all the direction, and still the courtyard is having the space of 17 feet 8 inches by 9 feet. Okay, again a very spacious courtyard, but the courtyard must be spacious anyway. Okay, so this is the arrangement over here, and I have a lot of inputs to give on this particular ground floor, so stick till the end of this video. Okay, then through this staircase we are going to reach to the next floor, and you can see the arrangement is almost same for the lobby. Okay, so everything is of the same dimension. We have the common toilet over here. Now this dining space is being used as a room over here, and this room is also entering to another room, which is our study room right over here. Then we have used this parking area, or you can say the lawn area, as the balcony till this space. Okay, and we have a door over here. Then this is a duct space, so you can simply select the two lines. Okay, so I'm just selecting it, and I'm copying it from here to here. Okay, Control Z. Okay. I have selected it wrongly. I should have selected it like this, and I should have copied it from here to here. Guys, I have not prepared this plan, so I must make it clear to you. Okay, and the guys who has prepared this plan has done a tremendous job. That's of no question. But I'm just going to make some corrections also over here, and now you can see this is the sitting area. Then we have a toilet which is opening right from here. Then we have this another door taking us directly to the balcony. The staircase is getting the lighting and everything from this duct area. Okay, then this bedroom is also getting the ventilation from here. This bedroom is getting the ventilation, one from this duct, second from this particular courtyard area. And you can see everything is same over here, so I'm not going to waste a lot of your time and a time of mine. So now we have studied everything for this plan. what we have to do again? Now I have to like put my input over here, right? So I'm just going to suggest some changes to this plan because this is my work. I'm just doing the plan checking over here. So let's start with the ground floor. So on the ground floor, you can see we have this toilet area over here. I will just make a copy of it. And guys, if you are new to the AutoCAD, then you can also just join our course on the AutoCAD. Okay, I'm just going to turn on the ortho, and it is available on the Civil Raja app. Okay, so you can just pay 500 and you can get access to all the commands of the AutoCAD, and everything has been dealt in detail over there. So you can just go ahead and watch the series and learn how to use the AutoCAD proficiently. So now you can see we have this toilet area, right? So this wall, I do not like this kind of arrangement because it is already hidden on the ground floor, as well as it is far from the balcony area. So it will not be visible even on the first floor. So we can simply just delete these two walls and we can extend these two. Okay. So we can simply extend it like this, and we can make it a simple like just extend it square shaped, or you can say the rectangular uh, toilet over here. Okay, so tr double enter, and I'm just going to trim out these lines. Okay, so now you can see this is a better arrangement for the toilet. Now, so we can just make it a more spacious right over here because it is already 4 feet 10 inches by 6 feet, and we should not like plant any kind of cutout over here because this design is not visible. That's why I'm doing this. Okay, for the kitchen, yeah, it is quite visible from the wide lawn, so yeah, we can go with this. But for the toilet, let's keep it rectangular. Then this door is good over here. Okay, everything is good over here. That's not a question mark. Okay, then this 2 feet 6 inches wide projection can be used as a room also. Okay, so we can simply stretch this wall to bring it over here. Okay, so this window will be shorter in size, but this can be a bigger room right over here. But for the storeroom, we can simply use it. However, the storeroom should have been like attached somewhere nearby the kitchen and not over here. Okay, so we can also just make the storeroom right over here, and we can use this space as a another room over here, or even the common, sorry, the attached toilet. That can be done. Okay, so that we can have a two master bedrooms right over here. Now you can see on the first floor I have a lot of suggestions. I can simply just eradicate this storeroom if I am not in the need of the two master bedrooms. Then I can simply just make it another room. What I can do, I have few suggestions, like I can simply select the lines like this. Okay, let's select the lines first. I'm selecting the lines like this. Then I can use the stretch command. Okay, and bring this from here to here. Okay, now I can use this room as a like a full-fledged room. Okay, so that can be done over here. Control Z. Okay, these two lines are needed to be extended to, or I can simply just select these, stretch, and bring it here. Okay, so we can use this arrangement also. We can just delete the hash area. Okay, and we can use it as a room, another bedroom over here. Also, we can change, and now we have increased the dimension. So obviously the dimension should be of 7 feet 6 inches, but anyway, I will simply measure it so that you can also be clarified about that. So yeah, it is coming 7 feet 6 inches, right? So I can just make it 7 feet 6 inches over here. So this can be used as a proper kids room, right? 7 feet 6 inches, and we can use this as kids room or small bedroom or kids room, whatever you want to name it. I would prefer it to be a kids room right over here. Now, about the door, we can either keep this door like this, or we can just provide another door right from here. Okay. So even if it is a kids room, then we can just go with a 2 feet 6 inches door over here. So that will not be an issue. So either you can just shift the door over here, or you can just use this door. That is up to you. But I would prefer to just use this door over here. Okay. So let's just okay, that will take time for me to just make the corrections, and now I can simply just remove this projection area. Okay, now you can see this room is fine with me. This toilet door is again fine with me. However, you can do one more thing. You can simply provide the door of the toilet over here, and do not make this a attached bathroom. Okay, so that all the residents of these three rooms can also use this if they want to use it. Okay, so that is another suggestion. Okay, next what we can do for this toilet, I told you I have to increase the area, right? So I'm just going to select these two lines. Then I will simply extend all these lines like this. This is another way of doing it. Otherwise, you can also use the extend command. That is up to you if you want to use that. But I prefer this one. Okay. So you can just increase the size of the toilet like this. Now, about the door of the toilet, you should not just keep this door like here. You can also just rotate and provide it over here. Okay. So that is another thing that must be done, because the toilet door should not be facing this area. Okay. So I'm just going to select this door. Now I'm going to rotate it. Okay. And this is my suggestion. Either you can go with this kind of arrangement, move from here to here. Okay. And better, I should place it. Move from here to here. And then move again by 5 inches. Okay. Then we can simply extend these lines. So how to do that? First of all, use the extend command like this, EX enter. Select this object, enter, then extend it like this. Okay. I told you there are many ways of doing things. Okay. So we can simply do that. Then we can trim out the extra portions like this. And we can bring it right over here. Move. And then move again like this. Okay. So we can go with this kind of arrangement right over here. We can draw lines also from here to here and here to here, and delete this line. Or simply stretch it back till here. Okay, so you can just go with this kind of toilet arrangement also. Then you can also provide this door right over here and close this wall, so that you can have two different rooms, and which are getting the access right from two different divisions. Okay, so that can also be done. Then we can also shift the door in this direction and shift the sofa right over here. Okay, so we can also do a little bit of the shifting on this one. That will make it better. Just move it. Yeah. So guys, this is my suggestion, that you can also just keep this study room door right through the balcony and not through here, so that it can be a separate room. I will also show you how to do it, because it's not taking not going to take a lot of time over here, and the suggestions should be quite clear, right? So I'm going to just do it. Let's draw this line. Now bring this over here. And draw another line like this. Then we can simply trim out this line. Got it? So you can just go with this kind of arrangement also. And then you can close this one like a stretch command, and you can stretch it till here. Then this can act as a two different rooms, and we can simply use it, and all the rooms will be none of the rooms will be interconnected over here. Okay, there is no harm of keeping this arrangement. Okay, so we can simply avoid it. Otherwise, if you'll just not cast any kind of slab, or for the study room, the slab casting is not very much needed also. Okay, so you can simply place the door over here also. That is up to you. Like suppose I am deleting all this. If you are willing to make another kitchen on the top floor, then the previous arrangement was right. But if not, then you can just go with this kind of arrangement. Okay. Now I can simply just come over here and draw a line like this. Then I can move this one. So see, it is very quick way to do it. So do not worry that it is taking time or something, because it will be very quick when you are doing it. Simply grab the point, add it, and move this line. I can also delete and draw another line. That will be like quicker, but yeah, I'm just willing to do it like this. Then we can simply trim out the extra portions. Yeah, so you can see this can be another arrangement right over here. And we can simply use this room as another room, and we can provide window one over here, another for this room over here. Okay, so window can also be simply placed like that. And we can rearrange the sofa over here, and the doors that can be rearranged. Okay, we can simply rotate the sofa and place it over here. Okay, that will be quite easy, and you can also just imagine that. Now guys, that is all for today. And if you want to join our professional training for the AutoCAD, and if you are liking this plan, then you can simply hit the like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and also subscribe to Civil Raja. If you want to learn the SketchUp or interior design or even the Tekla detailing, then our batches are opening. So you can simply just give me a call or WhatsApp me on 8433248864, and you know where our number is. It's always in the description. So go ahead, check it out and contact us. Thank you guys.